In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Zoho to Shopify. If you are already using Zoho tools for your business, connecting them to Shopify can help keep your workflow in one place. In this walkthrough, you will use the Shopify App Store to install the official Zoho integration that matches the Zoho product you are using. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Look at the left side menu where you can manage and explore the things that support your store. Find the option labeled Apps, then click it. After you click Apps, you should see an area that includes recommended options. Next, click All Recommended Apps. This section is where Shopify gathers apps that are commonly used and compatible with your store setup, so it is a good place to start. Once you are viewing the Recommended Apps page, take a moment to understand what you are looking for. You will not install a generic connector. Instead, you will search for the specific Zoho app that matches your needs. That is because different Zoho services have different functions, such as customer management, accounting, inventory, and more. So you will want the right integration to match the Zoho tool you already use. Now search for the specific Zoho app you use. For example, if you use Zoho CRM, you would search for Zoho CRM. If you are using Zoho Books, search for Zoho Books. If you use Zoho Inventory, search for Zoho Inventory. As you type, pay attention to the search suggestions and results, because you want the exact integration for the Zoho product you selected. This step matters because the correct plugin ensures that data flows the way you expect between Zoho and Shopify. After the search results load, look through the list carefully. You should see different apps and listings, but you only want the official integration plugin. Click the official integration plugin from the results list. When you select it, you should notice that the app details page opens. This is where you can confirm that you are installing the intended Zoho integration and not a third-party or unrelated app. Take a brief moment to scan the name and description so you feel confident you are in the right place. With the correct plugin selected, you are ready to install it. Find the Install button on the page, then click Install. Shopify will begin the installation process. Depending on your store settings and the app, you may be asked to confirm permissions or review details. If you see any prompts, follow them carefully and confirm only what you understand. The goal here is to make sure Shopify can connect to the Zoho service and perform the tasks that the integration is designed for. Once installation completes, the integration should be added to your Shopify apps. At that point, you can usually go back to your apps area to verify it is present. Some apps also offer an additional setup stage, where you connect accounts or choose specific settings. The exact setup options can vary by Zoho product, but the key action you just completed is installing the official app from the Shopify App Store. And that is it. You have successfully added the Zoho integration to Shopify by opening Apps, searching for the Zoho app you use, choosing the official plugin, and clicking Install. That covers everything you need to know.